Woohoo! Here we go. This ain't our excursion. The friends. Oh well. We got a Chevy Express as well as a Pontiac minivan back of that going on. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
I don't know.
Stop and fill my place. I'll get back there.
We're ready.
A V10 gas on the ferry, or
No, we only allow diesel-powered excursions here. So unless you got a way to hydroplane across, you know, if your V10 was cooked up enough, maybe you could hydroplane across there. But I don't know about that.
What you're telling me is that you're a respecter of vehicles.
Oh yeah, I mean what? You know? Oh, no, it's not a diesel.
Dan.
I don't discriminate between vehicles.
Well, I have to say this is kind of a shame because it's going to take a diesel right there in that ship to get this V10 across there.
Right, well, that's all they can afford.
Well, yeah, and they got to have it because they can't have a gas breakdown in the middle of the river with your.
And that's what they like to say. You're right.
Right.
Yeah,
so you got a diesel dependency.
That's all they.
I mean, look at all the gas-powered things that just got off that diesel-powered ferry. I got to save my memory for the rest of it. All right, YouTube. The only thing missing out of this is that power stroke's down. There's our traffic director on the ferry boat. He's having us go on the outside.
Did you get me?
Yeah, I got you.
On this side. I'm putting it together. Never mind. Let him go now. Got to separate this big old wall.
Oh, we got to get separated. We're heavy. We got two 10,000-pounders on the left side.
Yeah, keep going, dude.
Yeah. Oh, this is so awesome. You're going on YouTube. $8 one way, 15 round trip.
Waiting in the seat.
What's this, Charlie?
You're in a kayak.
It's a ferry boat.
Because in Florida they have big waves in the morning.
What do we have on here? A floating excursion? What on earth is this? Hey, you.
This is a V10 gasoline powered excursion.
Oh,
top
you can't
of the
get
line.
over your V10.
Top of the line. Now, if I'd want to make other people feel better, I'd get a diesel, and we'd pretend that we had a better arrangement going. But if you want to ride in comfort, class, a lot of power, you want to be able to breathe comfortably and have a conversation, I suggest you have a V10 gasoline powered. It's all the way. All the way.
I differ a bit, but...
Well, what am I going to say? I mean, diesel has so many advantages that gas doesn't have.
Gas has to have some advantages.
Right. Gas.
We have a floating Ford.
Wow.
You got a floating Chevy, a floating Honda. How's it going?
Can you move?
Oh, yeah. Coming to land. Huh? Yeah. See ya. Here comes the Chevy. Father Ford.